Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. This is done by solving complex mathematical equations using specialized computer hardware. Miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins for their efforts. Hello and welcome to our tutorial of Cryptogeek.info on how Bitcoin mining works. In this video, we will take a closer look at the process of mining Bitcoins, what it involves, and why it is important for the Bitcoin network. When a miner solves a problem, they are rewarded with a certain number of Bitcoins, along with transaction fees from the transactions they have included in the block they have mined. This process is called mining because it is similar to extracting gold from the earth. Just as gold miners need to extract gold from the earth, Bitcoin miners need to extract Bitcoins from the Bitcoin network. The mathematical problems that miners need to solve are called hashes, and they are created using a complex algorithm called SHA-256. The difficulty of these problems is adjusted by the Bitcoin network to ensure that new blocks are mined approximately every 10 minutes. This process is important because it ensures that the Bitcoin network remains secure and that new Bitcoins are added to the network at a steady rate. The process of mining Bitcoins is also designed to be decentralized, meaning that no single miner or group of miners controls the network. Instead, anyone with the necessary hardware and software can participate in the mining process. This decentralization ensures that no one person or group has too much control over the network and that there is a fair distribution of Bitcoins. In order to mine Bitcoins, a miner needs specialized computer hardware called an ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, miner. These specialized miners are designed specifically to mine Bitcoins, and they are much more efficient than regular computers. Mining Bitcoins can be very competitive, as the reward for solving a block is fixed at a certain number of Bitcoins. This means that the more miners there are, the more competition there is for the limited number of Bitcoins that are being mined. As a result, mining can be very expensive, as miners need to invest in expensive hardware and pay for electricity costs. It's important to note that the Bitcoin mining difficulty is adjusted every 2016 blocks. The difficulty is adjusted to keep the block generation time at approximately 10 minutes. As more miners join the network, the difficulty will increase to ensure that blocks continue to be mined approximately every 10 minutes. Another important aspect of Bitcoin mining is the concept of pool mining. Pool mining is when a group of miners combine their computing power to mine blocks together. This allows them to earn a share of the rewards based on the amount of computing power they contribute to the pool. This can be a good option for small-scale miners who may not have the resources to mine on their own. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining is an important process that ensures the security and decentralization of the Bitcoin network. Miners use specialized computer hardware to solve complex mathematical problems called hashes, in order to add new transactions to the blockchain and are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. The process is also designed to be decentralized, which ensures that no one person or group has too much control over the network. It is a competitive process that can be costly, but many miners join mining pools to share resources and earn a share of the rewards. Thanks for watching, and we hope you now have a better understanding of how Bitcoin mining works. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Bitcoin mining, feel free to leave a comment or check out some of our other videos on the topic. On Cryptogeek.info YouTube channel we talk about the most interesting trends in crypto. Hope to see you in the next video.